mag-ipon ng mga panalo dito para makabawi-bawi.
Napalakas. Still manageable though for Espinola. Tirang buntis ito sa tres. If you try to control it to stay on the 4 ball, but first you need to make the 3. Espinola makes the 3 and stays in line for the 4. Back on track.
For that 4 ball.
And again, they have to play almost perfect. Makati Titans. Actually, kanina nung mga pabandang alas 6:30 na, tatatlo lang sila eh.
Oo.
A win tonight will definitely change the spirits of Makati. They have lost 3 straight matches already.
Nakita nga natin na nagpakita ng bagong dance moves dito si Black Carabao. It's the last time na nakatikim dito ng W.
2 balls away from a 2-0 advantage. Espinola deposits the 9 ball. No smiling para dito kay Black Carabao.